the world of academics, students are not merely seekers of knowledge, they are cultivators of virtues. The integration of values in education is like laying the foundation of a strong, resilient building. These values serve as pillars of character that guide students not only through their academic journey but throughout life. The Isabela National High School implements the Homeroom Guidance Program with the goal of empowering the learners to foster rational thinking, positive disposition, and exquisite behavior. The INHS supports the thrust of the Department of Education in the Region 2 Development, Empowering Learners' Character, and Region 2 Development, Nurturing Exquisite Behavior Programs by integrating the 12-point ethical values or behavioral skills of resiliency, love, hope, forgiveness, charity, self-esteem, cleanliness, unity, empathy, respect, honesty, and obedience in the pursuit of knowledge. The following projects highlight the different values for every month. Resiliency is a virtue that empowers not only the students but also the educators to bounce back from the academic setbacks and emerge stronger. As such, integrating the 12-point ethical values in the monthly Learning Action Cell session by the faculty members empowers them to perform best in their profession. The sustained implementation of the reading program through Brigada Pagbasa and Project Dream RB Innovations also exemplify the value of resiliency as it aims to address learning gaps. Love for learning ignites a passion that makes the pursuit of knowledge enjoyable and meaningful. Conduct of the feeding activity and gift-giving program to select grade 7 learners illustrate love to fellow men. Additionally, a Freedom Wall, Cupid Booth, and Battle of the Bands project were conducted by the senior high school learners to facilitate academic and social perspectives for the Love Month. Hope is the beacon that illuminates the path of progress, guiding students even when the road seems uncertain. Garden of Hope, which stands for Harnessing Optimism and Potentialities Through Education, is a project which aims to provide the INHS learners a garden facility for their academics and likewise supports the school's mental health advocacy. Forgiveness, both of oneself and others, ensures that the weight of past mistakes does not stifle the joy of discovery. Conducting Bible study session by the ESP teachers and the school pastor reinforces the value of forgiveness. The cleanliness of the campus is maintained through the Brigada Escuela and it is also sustained and intensified especially in the month of cleanliness. Brigada Escuela also highlights unity as it calls everyone into action and the participation of the community and stakeholders in keeping the campus clean and ready creates a harmonious learning environment for the INHS students. Self-esteem is the foundation of belief in one's abilities, fostering the courage to tackle academic challenges. Project Inspires and Project Echo manifest the value of self-esteem as it aims to recognize the exemplary performances of the INHS educators in the respective fields and exigencies in the service. Empathy allows the students to appreciate the perspectives and struggles of others, enhancing their ability to collaborate and understand the world. The Barkada Contra Droga Club conducted a leadership training highlighting the 3 R's to success, which were responsibility, respect, and resiliency to remind them that they are part of a larger academic community where they can share and grow. The monthly values are also integrated and emphasized in every homeroom guidance classroom sessions where students come up with creative and innovative outputs to express their ideas for every value. This is in partnership with the Guidance and Counseling Office. In conclusion, the integration of values in academics is not just a mere aspiration but a necessity. Virtuous students become lifelong learners who not only excel in their academic pursuits but also contribute positively to society. As educators, we have the responsibility to instill and nurture these values in our students, ensuring that they become not only knowledgeable but also virtuous leaders of tomorrow.